the Spanish Peaks behind us. Nice view, huh? Each step of the way we get a little more organized. Here I have my electrical repair items, lighting, that sort of thing. Each step of the way get things put in a better place and more condensed and easier to use. Power tools, some literature. Next one's the emergency box, jack, road triangles, gas can, tools, saws. Here we have Pioneer tools. This is the carpet I bring with me to roll out when I have to roll around on the ground. Oils in here. Shit tube, shit hose, water hose, bungees, lashing straps, another emergency light, miscellaneous towing RV things. And my tools. When we travel, they're in a different spot. Move the weight to a better location. And that's it. It's a nice view to wake up to every day. It's pretty quiet out here. Nice place. Nice place. Very nice day today. It allows me to finish my reorganization project. So that's all for now. Thank you. You'll see me again soon. Bye for now.